If you haven't yet, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on where you don't miss a single upload.
Rev it! Rev it! Oh, come on. Look at this. Mini Cooper, Mini Cooper, Mini Cooper. Hey, do you have two-step, man? Hey, rev it! Dang, listen to that turbo. Oh my. Dang. Got the Alfa Romeo 4C. That thing, bro. Let's see. It's pretty quick too. I've seen it before. Hey, look at that thing. Whoa. Gold. Got the M5 right there. Not sure what's the M550X. Not sure. Rev it! See what this guy is gonna do. Bro, stay tuned for the full review of this, bro. Oh, stay tuned for the full review, guys. I gotta run, guys. Gotta run. Oh, the SVJ. All white SVJ's here. Well, that's a new Aventador to the squad. Welcome to the SVJ squad, people. Oh my. Bro, welcome to the SVJ squad. Got a new SVJ in the squad, man. No, I don't talk about the Taycan that much, but that thing's pretty sick. Got the Ferrari California. Oh, we got the GT500 coming in. Hey, what's up? Rev it, rev it. Hey, yeah. Rev it, yeah. Oh my goodness! Yeah! Yeah! underscore Chris. A follow on Instagram. What's up, bro? Hey! Yeah. Look at that thing. Sick. Thing's sick. Oh, this guy's got. Yeah! Rabbit! Rabbit! Ooh! Got the GT4 and the GT4 RS. This might be the best duo. Excuse me. Oh, bro. GT4 and GT4 RS. Great duo. This is awesome. Oh my. Got the Popo right there, but we got these great cars. What are you gonna do? Yeah, Sunday! Look at this M4. Has some huge turbos in it, I think, probably. Rabbit! 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 Yeah! Rolling duo. Oh! Send it, bro! Come on! Sunday, you got to! Ah! Got the Ferrari F430. Look at that thing. The Mustang going by. Is he doing a burnout? Yo! Hey, look at this. Dude, Lotus is coming in. Rabbit! I can't hear you. Things are sick. Air performance wing on the back of that thing is so sick. Oh! We got the C7. Oh, is he gonna send it? Oh my god! Look at. Oh my. Bro, sick. BMW M2. Bro, loving that new model, man. Ooh. 2 McLaren 720Ss. Look at the wing! Oh my goodness! Oh my. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Whoa. Rabbit! 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 Hope he reps it. Rabbit! Rabbit! Come on! Rabbit! Oh. Rabbit! 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 Come on! Rabbit! 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 Oh, we got a Hellcat coming in? Look at that.
GT3 did. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on, Ferrari, California. Ferrari, California. Hey. Send it. Dang, that guy knows how to send it. Come on, bro. Come on. Yeah, do a wheelie. Send it. Oh, he's launching it. He's launching it. Yeah. Hey! Oh, he's launching it! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Let's go, yeah! Dang, he just keeps going. Oh, he's launching it! Oh! That thing. So quiet. Oh my God! Dang, that guy keeps going. Oh my God!
busted out headlight, I mean, yeah. Oh my God! That'd be crazy. Dang, you can smell the rubber. Oh my God! It's all the way down there and you can smell the rubber. Oh my. That's crazy. Come on! Rolling coal! That's rolling coal right there. There's car Buddha. Oh, he's launching it! Oh! Oh, he's launching it! Yo, yeah! Woohoo! Woo! Oh, you can hear a supercharger wide! Yeah! last full send of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.